This is it, man. We've made it. Hey, I gotta go to the ATM, get some cash. You find us a spot?
Yeah, that shouldn't be too hard since there's like nobody here.
Hey, my friend brought me here. He's getting money. I have a girlfriend, sorta.
Oh, don't worry, Mommy! Daddy's here!
Dude, something's wrong with her. Look at her chest. What's all over her?
No, that's makeup, dummy. It's a jungle theme. Oh, wow. This is so hot. Oh, my God. Oh, my God! Wait, you're the stripper.
Cocktail waitress.
What is going on?
What the fuck do you think? Everyone's eating each other.
Like a...
Any more questions?
Okay. We're fine! Everything's under control!
All right, Scouts. Let's kick some zombie ass.